Good morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Tuesday, August 28th. Overnight trade was mixed. We started out a little bit better, getting some support from the weekly crop ratings. Both corn and beans saw their good, excellent categories go down 1% for the week, and the poor to very poor go up 1%. The trade was maybe looking for something unchanged, so that was a little bit supportive. Trade was also maybe looking for corn harvesting to be around 10% done, only 6% done, so both of that gave us a little bit of a firmer start in the overnight trade, but kind of ran out of gas and are generally unchanged a little bit on the defensive. I think what's going there on the defensive side, even though we did make new contract highs in beans and meal yesterday, is that we did not have a good technical close. We're kind of running out of steam. Be it that the fact that weather has changed to a degree, whether people are talking about Storm Isaac down in the Gulf, how much moisture is it going to bring inland, but in general we have had somewhat of a pattern change as far as not seeing no rain and or temperatures backing on off. We're also coming into the end of the month and first notice day for the September contracts. We're also coming up to a 3-day holiday, so I think that that's also having some speculators move to the sidelines, because the last commitment of trades report that came out on Friday showed that we did see a big jump of longs in the marketplace: wheat, corn, beans, meal, and oil. And like I say, I think we're working our way towards the 3-day holiday and the end of the month, that we are seeing people kind of move to the sidelines at this time. Other news out there is that we're just continuing to follow what's going on in the European markets and in the Black Sea area. Those areas continue to be cheaper than us for wheat and corn, and they are basically undercutting us as far as the export arena goes. So that's also been a limiting factor for the corn and the wheat at this juncture, trying to work higher. But we still remain competitive with the beans, even though we haven't seen any announcements as of late from the USDA as far as the rumors of China buying more beans. Other than that, South America is right around the corner of trying to get planted. They continue to move their beans. Brazil in particular continuing to sell their new crop. Argentina continues to sell beans as well, so that's been adding a little bit of pressure to the bean market as well. So we're going to start off a little bit on the defensive. We're still above pivotal price areas in the beans, kind of in them for corn and wheat, kind of turned a little bit mixed. I think what we're seeing in here once again is people trying to move to the sidelines ahead of the holidays. And then don't forget, we are just starting harvest, so if we're going to see any type of selling pressure in our marketplace over the near term and or the next 30 to 45 days, it's going to be right now with harvest approaching. Once again, these are my opinions, not of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.